Welcome. Today we'll be covering new and upcoming Microsoft 365 features from February 2025. This video is intended for business users of Microsoft 365. Copilot in Word for Web. Improve productivity. Copilot can generate content based on existing text, making documentation faster, easier, and smoother. Preserve the flow of your writing. Without needing to exit the canvas to leverage Copilot, you can seamlessly insert and transform content and stay in the flow. Enhance creativity. Copilot can make suggestions for content as you work, supercharging your ideas and boosting creativity. Here's a demonstration of using Copilot in Word for Web. We're going to ask Copilot to revise a paragraph to simplify it. Open your Word document. Select the paragraph. Click the Copilot button. Enter "Revise this paragraph to simplify it" or another instruction. Click the Generate arrow icon. Copilot will now generate your new draft. That's it. Your new paragraph is ready. Add custom tables to Word for Android and iOS documents. You can now customize the number of rows and columns before adding a table, making the process faster, more efficient, and tailored to your needs on Word for iOS and Android. Here's a demonstration on Android. Open your Word document on Android. Swipe across the toolbar ribbon and tap the table icon. Customize your quantities and tap Insert Table. Good to go. Recall emails and Outlook for Mac. After you send a message that contains an error you want to correct, select the message in the Send Items folder. Select Recall from the context menu to delete the email from all the recipient's mailboxes. Note, you can also select Recall in the Triage toolbar. Requirements. To be able to recall emails in Outlook for Mac, Outlook for Windows, and Outlook for the web, both you and the recipient must be using Microsoft 365 email accounts within the same organization. Outlook Mobile. Minimize email drafts in iOS and Android. Seamless task management. You can easily switch between composing an email and referencing other emails or calendar events without losing your progress. Note that this feature is currently available for Android beta and iOS test flight and is beginning to roll out to production users. Outlook Mobile. New fonts. When composing an email, updating your signature, or editing your automatic replies text on your Android or iOS device, select the familiar formatting button, the A with a pencil, on the toolbar. You will notice a new option in the formatting toolbar to select your font. Choose the font you would like to use, and you're on your way. Note, fonts that have not been used recently will not be available offline. Again, this is currently available for Android beta and iOS test flight users and will be rolled out gradually to production users. Like and subscribe to keep updated on new and upcoming Microsoft 365 features each month. Microsoft Teams, new flow, Together mode. While in a Teams meeting, select View Together mode in the meeting toolbar. Under Everyone in the meeting toolbar, select Change Scene to alter or customize your background, or assign seats to rearrange where participants are located in the scene. When you're happy with the scene and setup, select Everyone to send all participants to Together mode. Note the availability on this slide. Microsoft Excel. Search and import data into Excel with Copilot. Web content. You can seamlessly search the web directly within Copilot in Excel to find public information like dates, statistics, and more without disrupting your workflow. For instance, you can look up a list of countries and their exchange rates, and easily paste these results into a table. Internal content. For example, you can ask Copilot in Excel to list the announcement from a newsletter drafted in Word, and Copilot will respond with a list that you can insert into a new spreadsheet. Organizational information. You can ask Copilot for all the employees who report to a specific manager and insert this list into a spreadsheet. Data from another Excel file. The top user request is to import data from another Excel file. This is possible with Power Query, but doing so takes time and knowledge. Not to mention, searching for the right file can be frustrating. Now you can ask Copilot for help finding and importing a table from an Excel file using everyday language. For example, say you want to add budget details from another Excel spreadsheet to your sales team table. You could describe the data that you need, and Copilot will help you import it. Because this import is powered by Power Query, it brings precise data directly from your organization's data sources as a refreshable connection. As data is updated in the budget file, it also updates in your sales team table. Let's search the web for an itinerary for a month-long trip to Europe in a table format. Click on any cell where you want to start your search. Click on the Copilot button and then click Ask Copilot to launch the AI assistant. In the Copilot interface, type search for a month-long holiday itinerary in Europe. Review the search results and select the itinerary that best fits your needs. Copy the data from the selected itinerary. Return to Excel and paste the copied data into your worksheet. Known limitations. Importing refreshable data is only supported for Excel files with tables stored on your SharePoint or OneDrive. Addressing workbook data and asking for external data simultaneously is not fully supported yet. Requirements. To use this feature, you must have a Copilot license. Get more details on Copilot licenses in the description. A stable internet connection. Web search enabled for web searching. If Copilot responds that it can't access your organizational data, verify if restricted SharePoint search is turned on for enterprise search. Let us know in the comments what new feature you'll use the most and how you'll use it. Like and subscribe to keep updated on new and upcoming Microsoft 365 features each month. Thanks for watching. That's a wrap for this month.